of March, doing a live video on YouTube with my son King Josiah around the door. I call this time family time because it's been long I came live here on YouTube. But today I've taken this time to say hi to you guys. Look, can you say hi to my subscribers? Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Yes. Say hi. Say hi. Say hello. You're right. So there are going to be some changes on my YouTube channel, and that I will update you guys when the time comes, and I will update you guys when the time comes, and then I will see how we can do it because now I'm going to do more of film productions, and because I love film production, so you'll be watching African movies on my YouTube channel, and mostly local content, yeah, and more like a cultural stuff. Yeah, Roman, how are you? How you doing? So this is my son. His name is Josiah. Josiah, say hello to Roman. Say, Roman, how are you? Say, Roman. Roman, how is it going? It's been a long time. How's your family? How is your football training going? It's been a long today. This evening, I've just decided to make this video and then get to talk to you guys, my friends, and those of you who have missed me. And today I'm here with my boy. Yeah, he just finished eating. That's why he's looking like this. Can you say hi? Hi.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi. Yeah. Hi. Say hi to my viewers. Say hi to my subscribers. Say hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. Alright, so my son here, he has his own YouTube channel, and King Josiah on the door, and today he just want to accompany me to, so that we can do this live streaming together. And you guys, you're all welcome, and if you're new here, you're welcome. Ali, you're welcome. Oh, you've been scouted. Wow, that's good. That's great news. Wow. Wow, so wow, how's it going? You should tell me more, bro. That's good. I always wish you all the best in your football career here. And say hello. Say hello, guys. You're welcome to my daddy's channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Can you say that? Can you say that? Me from Nigeria, you from where? India? Or Pakistan? Or Nepal? Yeah. My friend Roman is from Denmark. So thank you. So every evening like this, I come out of my backyard to look around, then take my son, show him things, show him birds that are flying on the sky. I have been better since last year. Wow, that's good. I know that you get better. You are still keeping the ball, right? You're still keeping the ball. Don't worry, very soon I'll start. Okay, he's 10 months. 10 months. 10 months. And very soon I'll start producing movies, African movies, so that you can be watching. You watch my movies with your family, right? And I'll still be doing a little bit of travel content, but not like that. But better still, I'll be producing movies more, and then I think that would take effect from next month. I believe by next month I should be able to, put some things together and then start. Oh, your little sister is 11 years old. So you are 15, 12? How old are you? Roman. I think my son, when he grows up, I think he wants to be a footballer. Do you want to be a footballer? On the door. On the door. On the door. Dorothy. Dorothy. You want to be a footballer when you grow up? Hmm? Oh, your kid sister is 11 months. Okay. I thought you said, yeah, it was 11 years. I was kind of surprised. Like so fast. I know you're around 15 years, right? Or is it 15 or 12 years? How old are you again, Roman? See, birds are not flying again. I wanted to show you some birds, yeah? But they're not here. Why? Call the birds to come. Look around. Can you see? Look around. There are no birds. You see? The other one is sitting there, but it's far away. Look. Look. It's far away. You cannot see it. Very far. So let's look for the one that is, yeah, it's far. Far. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Look at it. Far. Yeah. Yeah, you're 11, yeah. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would be nice. If you're here watching me, let me know where you're watching me from. I know Roman is from Denmark. And you guys, where you watching me from? Sometimes when you are busy with other things, it will look as if you don't want to do YouTube anymore. But it's not always like that, because sometimes you need to do some other things. That's life. In life, sometimes things changes. Things don't go the way we expect, but that is part of life. You want to sleep? Are you feeling sleepy? Okay, say up and the verb. Here in Nigeria we have different languages. Alright? So we have Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, and then Tiv. So me, I belong to the Tiv tribe. So we have different languages. So our major language is English, but there's what we call broken, and that is called Pidgin language. Yeah. and some people call it ago. And say hi, you can say Pandeve. Yeah, that's in my language. And if you want to say it in Nigeria, like normal, say how far, you know, how far. Oh, careful boy. Careful boy. Careful boy. So, Pandeve is my language. Careful, careful, careful. Pandeve is like good afternoon, alright? Then, if you want to say good evening, yeah, good afternoon and good evening is the same thing. Okay, in Denmark is Hajj. Hedge. Hedge. Hedge, is that good morning? Hedge? Come on, what do you want to do? You want me to carry you? Alright, wait, let me carry you. Wait, let me carry you. Wait now, let me carry you. Wait. No, I don't want green screen. No. Alright. So sometimes he wants me to carry him. He can be at the top and be looking at things. So now you can see everything now. Can you see everybody? Hmm? Can you see everybody? Hmm? Rum, rum, rum. Rum, rum, rum. So, Roma, yesterday I went for a burial. Let me see if I can put the pictures in the background if you can see. Then, this was a burial that I went for yesterday. You know, took those pictures. Brum, brum, brum. Bless you, boy. Okay, hey. Okay, it's hi in Dutch. Dutch. So Dutch is different from German. Oh. Dutch, Dutch, Dutch. Kike mbobe ndote. Kike mbobe. So Roma, when are you going to join me live? Yeah, we'll stream live. How is your YouTube channel going? Any progress? Getting more subscribers? More views? Let me know. You see this boy is looking over the fence, yeah? He's looking at things outside. Look at him. See, he's looking at things outside. Okay. Mm. So how many subscribers do you have now? You have up to 1,000 or more than that? Sorry. So when are you going to join me so that I'll prepare before that time? 1,000. Have you been monetized? Let me know if you have been monetized. That's huge, man. Hello? I hope I'm not. Eh? He bypass me, na. Naka you bagina baba ye. Na wono kana ile kwa we na di. Na
I don't know the next step.
Aba ya ba mita ye tomga.
So landlord follow up kasi king later. Later now later from the younger nala connect na estimated when later so later zoom
Okay. Okay. Mula we on go some ko. Is it right? Okay, guys, I have to end this live now. I need to attend to something. I just wish one day that I will stream on YouTube for like 1 hour without stopping. That would be great. So, Roman, thank you so much for your time. Thank you. And I will check your YouTube channel later, right, to see what you're doing. So, if there's anything I will tell you to do, I will tell you. Would that gonna be okay? Brum 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 brum. Thank you. Watch and share it to your friends. Yeah. Thank you so much. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time, and then I'll see you guys later. Bye bye. Roman, thank you.
Bye bye.
Family. Bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Yeah, my boy is saying bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye to everybody.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Yeah, good. Bye bye. Say subscribe. 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 Yeah, thank you. Say subscribe. Subscribe. No, wait. Stop it. Ah, start again, man. There.